Every single week, there is a new video promising you 7 ways to get rich with Claude, and almost none of them ever actually open Claude. So this one is going to be different. I'm going to open it right now, on screen, and actually do all 7 of these hustles in front of you. Real prompt, real output, no talking head telling you to trust him. By the end, you will have watched Claude write a client's post, spin 25 ads, rank a brand inside another AI, and quietly do the work that people are getting paid real money for. Let me show you the first one. First hustle is the one I would start this very week, because the barrier is almost nothing. Busy founders and executives know they should be posting, and almost none of them have the time or the words to do it. So you become their voice. You study how they actually talk. You feed a few of their old posts into Claude, and you write in their exact tone from then on. Watch this happen for real. I am pasting 3 of a client's old posts, and I am asking for a brand new one about why he stopped hiring for degrees. Look at what comes back. It is not generic AI mush. It sounds like a real person with a real opinion, because Claude learned his rhythm from his own words. That post would have cost him an hour he does not have, and it took you about 10 seconds. This is why people pay a monthly retainer of $1,000 to $5,000 for it, not for the typing, but for sounding like themselves without ever sitting down to write. The second one solves a problem every creator and founder has, which is that they make one good long thing and then let it die. One podcast, one webinar, one long video, and then nothing for a week. You turn that single piece into a whole month. Here is the real move. I am dropping a raw transcript into Claude and asking for 10 platform native posts and 1 newsletter, each one keeping the best line intact. Watch it pull the strongest moments out and rewrite them for how people actually read on each platform, short and punchy for one, a real story for another. What took the creator 2 hours to record just became 30 days of content in under a minute. You are not selling editing, you are selling their calendar back to them, and that is worth $750 to $5,000 a month per client. Third hustle lives on a simple truth about advertising, which is that the winning ad is almost never the first one you write. Brands find winners by testing dozens of angles, and writing dozens of angles by hand is slow and expensive, so they will happily pay someone who can produce them fast. Let me actually do it. I am asking Claude for 25 scroll-stopping hooks for a creatine brand, with one rule: they cannot sound like ads. Read a few of these. They sound like something a real customer would blurt out, not a billboard, and that is exactly what stops the scroll. A brand can now test all of these this week instead of next quarter. You charge per batch or on a monthly retainer, and the profit is almost pure because the only real cost is your taste in picking the best ones. Fourth one is the newest, and it is quietly a gold rush. For 20 years, the game was ranking on Google. The new game is showing up when someone asks an AI to recommend something. When a person types "find me the best running shoe for wide feet" into Claude or ChatGPT, a handful of brands get named, and those brands get the sale. Most companies have no idea whether they even appear, so you check for them. Watch, I am asking Claude, straight up, what are the best options in a category, and I am watching which brands it names and which it ignores. That gap is your entire pitch. You show a brand that it is invisible in the exact place their customers are now asking, and then you help them become the answer with content built the way these models actually read. Early movers here are charging $1,000 to $8,000 a month because almost nobody is offering it yet. fifth hustle is the oldest business on earth, wearing a new coat, which is helping other companies book more sales conversations. Every business will pay a person who reliably fills their calendar. The old way was blasting the same cold message to 1,000 people and getting ignored. The new way is personal at scale. Here is the real work. I am giving Claude a short list of prospects and asking for a genuinely personalized opening line for each one, built off something specific and true about that company. Look at the difference. These do not read like a template. They read like someone actually looked. You send those, a human takes over the moment anyone replies, and you get paid for the meetings that turn into deals. This is a $1,000 to $5,000 a month retainer, and it stacks well with an agency, which is exactly where the last hustle goes. The sixth one used to require a computer science degree, and now it requires a clear description. Small businesses are full of little broken workflows, a clunky spreadsheet, a form that does not work, a page they never built. You can now hand those to Claude and get back something that actually runs. Watch me describe a simple tool in plain English, a small quote calculator a contractor could put on their site, and watch Claude write the working code for it. I quote, not a picture of a tool, a real one. You are not becoming a software company. You are solving one specific painful thing for one specific business and charging a few hundred to a few $1,000s for it. Do it twice and you have a portfolio. Do it 10 times and you have a studio. The seventh is the one with the highest ceiling, because you stop selling words and start selling saved hours. Every small business is drowning in repetitive work, missed calls, unanswered messages, follow-ups that never happen. You build a quiet system that handles it. Let me show the core of it. I am having Claude draft the brain of a simple AI receptionist for a dental office, the exact way it should greet a caller, answer the common questions, and book the appointment. Read how natural that is. A business that was losing calls all day is now capturing them at 2 in the morning, and that is worth real monthly money, because you are not a nice to have, you are plugging a hole that was bleeding revenue. Agencies like this charge thousands a month and keep clients for years. So there they are, all 7. And I actually did every one of them in front of you instead of just describing them. Here is the honest part though. You do not need 7, you need 1. The person who quietly builds one of these into a real income is not the smartest one who watched this. It is the one who still shows up in month 3 when everyone else got bored. So pick the one that made you lean in and go run it this week. For the ones that map to a full step-by-step system, the pricing, the client getting, the delivery, the exact playbook, those are broken down as blueprints at ideasrepay.com. And if you want more videos where I actually open the tool and do the work instead of talking around it, subscribe, because that is the only kind we make. Everything is at ideasrepay.com.